Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we are going to draw and color a capital V. Do you know V is for violin? Let's start drawing together. First draw a slant line. Second draw another slant line. Little curve on top. This is capital V. Now draw a small V. This is small v. V is for violin. Let's draw violin. V is for violin. Kids, V is for violin. V is for violin. This is violin. This is violin. Now write word violin. V I O L I N. Violin. Well done, kids. Our drawing is ready. Now let's start coloring. V is purple. Kids, this is purple color. This is purple color. V, this is capital V. V, this is capital V. V is purple. Well done, kids. Now let's color small v. This is small v. Let's color violin. This is yellow color. Kids, this is yellow color. This is yellow color. V is for violin. V is for violin. This is red color. Kids, this is red color. V is for violin. V. V. The sound of V is V. V. Violin. In the word violin, this is, we will use light green color. This is light green color. Kids, this is light green color. Well done, kids. Our drawing is ready. Your drawing looks so beautiful and colorful. Well done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next time.